In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw Luigi from the Super Mario Bros. Game and show you how to color your drawing at the end of the video. So stick around until the end because today's content is awesome. Hey there artist, I'm Ledy, and in this video, we're going to draw Luigi. All you have to do is copy the lines to create the drawing. And don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Let's start by drawing the nose. Now come the eyes. Then the eyebrows. And next, the mustache. Now comes the mouth. And we can draw the chin. Let's draw the forehead. Next, the hat. Now comes the face. And we can draw the hair. Next, the ears. Next, the hat. Add some details. Now let's draw the neck. Next, the shoulders. Add some details. Let's color the black parts. The skin. The hair. The eyes. The clothes. And don't forget, you can request a drawing right here in the comments. Your likes and subscriptions go a long way in helping the channel grow, and they inspire me to keep creating even more videos for you. Thank you so much for your amazing support. That's it for now. Catch you in the next video.